These high-purity polystyrene flakes then enter the super cleaning process. The flakes are melted under high temperatures of around 240 degrees. In a second step, the surface area of the melted polymer is enlarged to allow greater exposure to the vacuum technology that thoroughly cleans the material. This super cleaning process step ensures that any potential impurities stemming from the use and waste phase are eliminated and that the recycled polystyrene consistently achieves the high purity levels required for food contact quality. Subsequently, the polystyrene is pelletized in an underwater pelletiser.